What's up, everybody? We're here at Power Cruise USA, and we saw this crazy contraption. We thought we better get a little bit of info on it, and meet the builders who put this thing together. So we've got Kermit and we got Martin here. So we're gonna ask a couple of questions. We're gonna kind of get the lowdown on how they put this thing together. So it's what, a 1986. What's the M20?
B27 technically. Pulled the motor out, redid every gasket, water pump, everything that needed to be touched, brand new.
Nice.
We slapped a 885 head on it with a 274 cam, HD rocker arms.
Nice.
Made sure that everything was good, ready to go.
That's awesome. Because yeah, you guys built this thing to right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Drift missile.
That was pretty missile, right?
Well, I wouldn't call it a missile.
Yeah.
But
It looks nice.
we wanted to get into drifting. It's something I've been into for years, and I've just seen people do this a lot. It kind of makes sense to get rid of some of the weight in the rear end and balance it out.
Right.
And so far, like, how many passes you guys got on this thing?
I've had 5. You've had 4 minus the 2 that you had on the road course.
Yeah. Yeah, that's right.
Not quite enough for the road course yet. I mean, we had no idea what we were getting into. So.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah, but so far pretty decent. Feel like kind of feeling.
Oh yeah,
getting the
it's
hang
doing
of
it.
and-
It's definitely
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, out of my first 4 runs ever, spun out 1 time.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I apparently like the throttle a little too much.
Just hanging off
Yeah.
the red line.
Yeah.
Now, does it got a welded diff?
Yes,
Yeah,
it
When to
does.
slip?
It
Okay.
originally had a welded 293 in it. When we got it, it was actually a rally car.
Oh, no kidding.
Some previous owners had rallied it.
Rally cross?
Yeah.
Okay.
So when we started looking into it, both the motor mounts were severed, and I mean, it was rough. So obviously everything got done over, but it had a welded 2.93 in it. Way too low of a gearing for us. So we happen to have a 4.1 laying around, so
Well, that's perfect.
welded it up, threw it in, and that's pretty much how the whole car came together. I mean, 90% of this car was spare parts and just other cars that I had sold to other people before if we needed anything. So
It's a lot of what you had laying around already.
So that's like the suspension. I have a green E30 that I'm building right now, and we took the wheels, the coilovers, all of it, and threw it on this because I'm gonna go to bags instead.
Oh, nice. So, all right. Yeah. So everything you were already going to upgrade, you pop off the other cars and put it into this thing. So now this is a collective project between the two of you, right?
Yep.
So you guys had the chassis, and then just the whole box of parts, and you're like, fuck it, let's put together
pretty much anything that I
drift
didn't
missile.
have, he had. Anything that he didn't have, I had.
Yeah,
and
that's
then
awesome.
Anything that we needed brand new, obviously, we just split right down the middle.
Yeah.
Yep.
So,
And my understanding is you guys have been playing around with the E30s for years, right?
I personally just kind of got into the game like a year and a half ago.
Yeah.
Okay,
But
right
I kind
on.
of dove.
Yeah.
I dove right in.
Yeah, and so you landed on E30s after playing around with a lot of different kind of cars,
But so I've been in it for a while, and he randomly. So I've actually known him for probably 10, 12 years.
Yeah.
But
Well, awesome. Yeah, so you guys got a little bit more driving to do today yet,
Yep.
right?
Yeah.
Is it drift competition coming up next then?
drift is coming up, and then they got another round of free drift after. So.
Awesome. Yeah, a ton of drifting around the event this weekend, so glad you guys are able to get a lot of time in. And thank you both very much for being a part of this and letting us shoot the car.
Yeah.
So we're going to take you guys through a little bit more of the details that go into it and get some cinematic shots. All right, thanks.